Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again. I decided to show you this piece even though it ended up being scraped. It was an epic fail. I wanted to do a swipe, excuse me, a swipe only using gold, and it just did not work for me. The base coat is this Garageband gold. It's a gold that I haven't been using a lot. It's a lighter gold, so I decided to do that as a base. As you can see here, it does have a shimmer when it dries. Doesn't look very goldy here, but it does have a shimmer when it dries. And then so I was going to use that as a base, and then I was going to swipe with these 4 different golds here that I'll be showing you now. The first one is the 24 karat gold Deco Art Metallics, and I have as not instructed, as inspired by Nick from Dominic Shell Art. I put in mica pigments, gold pigments, into this as well, just to give it even more bling. So yeah, the Deco Art Americana Metallics 24 karat gold with the mica powder. This one is a darker gold. It is a German brand. It's called Goya, and it's just a gold color. So yeah, again, it's not one that I've used a lot, but let's see. I decided to see how this would work. This is an Amsterdam gold, the light gold, and then last but not least, there's another German brand, Marabou gold, and at least I managed to empty that tube. But yeah, and then I also have a cell activator, which of course is made with, well, this time actually I was running out of the Australian Floetrol, so I used Amsterdam pouring medium, which is can also be used as a cell activator. I made a mistake, I think, of putting mica powder, the gold, into this cell activator as well, just for the fun of it. Which, of course, as you could see when I showed it, it had a little green sheen to it. So now I'm just gonna put the base coat on the canvas. I'm gonna speed this up because it's tedious and really not interesting. So here it's been covered, and just speeding up because, as I said, I actually ended up scraping this whole canvas. So just wanted to show you that, yeah, why not show you a fail once in a while. So as you can see, I put on the cell activator and I decided to swipe with a wet paper towel, and I decided to reuse the paper towel on the way down. So first swiping up and then using the same going down. That was, I think, one of my mistakes, because I don't like the way that it actually smushes the gold on this lower part. So that was one thing that I didn't like. Also, I really didn't like the way that the cells formed here. They're, I don't know, wobbly or very, yeah, mixed. Weird. To me, they look really weird. But then again, maybe I should have just let it dry and let's see and just see how it actually ended up drying. It could be with the sheen that it would have been interesting, but I really didn't like it. I tried to do some swiping here with a palette knife. Just didn't really turn out the way that I wanted it to. And I do think that part of it is because this cell activator actually looks kind of green. Tried to also tilt a little bit, but that made the cells look even more out of shape. So I tried swiping again and not reuse the paper towel, and that also did not work out. So long story short, I scraped the whole thing. This is actually the end of the video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like or a dislike if you don't like this one. And I hope that the next one I'll show you will be a success. Have a great day. Bye.